Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. I'm so glad to be back. I'm here in my new setting, as you can see, which I'm very excited about. And my recipe today, guys, is a twist on monkey bread. That's right. We are making my version of S'more's monkey bread. And this episode starts right now. So as I said, guys, I'm happy to be back, and we are making S'more's monkey bread, my version of it. Here are the ingredients. Come on, let's go check them out. Okay, guys, so here are the ingredients. We are going to use 2 containers of Pillsbury biscuits. I like to use the butter ones, the Grands, the big biscuits. And what I did was I cut them in quarters. We're going to be using a small bag of miniature marshmallows, a bag of Nestle's semi-sweet chocolate chips. Here we have a 14.4 ounce box of graham crackers, which is your average size graham cracker box. And what I've done is I put it in the food processor and I mixed it with half a cup of sugar. Okay, I have what we call marshmallow fluff. Who doesn't like that? Okay guys, so as you saw the ingredients, so this is my version of S'more's monkey bread. Now guys, we're gonna preheat our oven. I'm gonna preheat the oven at, it's 350 degrees in a normal oven. In my case, I'm using my convection oven, so I'm gonna preheat it. I have preheated it at 325, okay? So here's how I did this. Here's my biscuit. I'm gonna cut it in quarters. Okay, I'm gonna take my biscuits. We're gonna swash them. We're gonna put 3 marshmallows in each. This is so much fun, you guys, to make with your kids. You just have no idea how wonderful this is to interact with your family in the kitchen. And voila, there we go. So we've got that. Okay. And this is what it looks like. I had pre-made some. Okay guys, so you see our butter is melting. Now we're going to put our fluff in there. So we're letting it melt, and we have to always keep, I always reiterate, and I always stress, never walk away from anything with sugar or cream from the stove. Just do not walk away from it. Why not? I'm going to put the whole stick of butter. Why not? Everything is better with butter, you guys. Bacon and butter. Very, very hot. So I'm going to pour it up here with my graham crackers, and we're layering them in here. So we're going in the oven for 35 minutes, you guys. We're going to do 1 layer now, and I'm going to show you how I'm layering everything. So we're going to grab this. All right, so we're layering that. Oh my God, this is going to be so good. I just don't know. My cameraman's drooling over here.
Yes, I am.
He's drooling. All right, so now I'm going to grab our nice sugar and our graham cracker. Now we are going to grab some of our delicious marshmallow. Look at this, you guys. We're going to put a little bit around, a little bit of marshmallow. You can put as much or as little as you want. I like to even it out and put some more at the end. And oh my God, this is beautiful, beautiful. Yum. Okay, so I'm just doing 1 layer here, and then I'm gonna go through the rest. Let's put a little more marshmallows. Why not, right? Why not? Marshmallows. We have our chocolate chip layer. This is what I call S'more's monkey bread, you guys. This is delicious. You'll love it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna continue with the other layers exactly like that. With a layer of our biscuits stuffed with marshmallows, our marshmallow fluff concoction with butter, one layer chocolate chips, and also with mini marshmallows. So when I come back, this will be complete and we will be ready for the oven. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Our s'mores monkey bread has been assembled. Check this out. Look at that. So we did all 3 layers with the marshmallow fluff and the butter, the chocolate chips and the marshmallows, and we have the marshmallows inside the biscuit. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so I'm going to put it in my preheated oven for 35 minutes. When I come back, we're gonna pull this baby out of the oven. I'm gonna flip it. Keep in mind though, we're using a lot of stickiness with that marshmallow fluff, so I would advise you to go ahead and use a cookie sheet on your bundt pan. The reason why is it's a lot easier to clean a cookie sheet than it is your oven, in case it bubbles over for whatever reason. So guys, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to be back and in my new kitchen. I'm so happy, and I'm gonna put this in the oven for 35 minutes, you guys, and when I come back, we're gonna let it cool. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. We're gonna flip it, we're gonna taste it, and you guys, you don't wanna miss this. I'll be right back. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Let me get a close-up on this. Oh my God, this smell is ridiculous, you guys. Oh my goodness. So now I'm gonna wait for it to cool down a little bit so that I can flip it onto the plate. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that. Hey guys, I'm back and our monkey bread is ready. Our s'mores monkey bread. I had a little trouble getting out of the bundt pan, but it's not really a big deal. It's pulled apart, so there's nothing really to slice or nothing to look bad. Look at that mountain of goodness. And the fun part about this is you can make this with your kids. So why don't we grab one and take a little taste. Remember, we have the marshmallow fluff with butter sauce, which is layered in the bundt. We have the mini marshmallows and the chocolate chips. Each layer has it. So we're gonna taste it. And we have 3 mini marshmallows in each biscuit. This is Pillsbury Grands biscuits. Oh my God. That was so good. So remember guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button and don't forget the bell so you don't miss an episode. And as I always say, my 2 main ingredients are passion and love. Remember, I don't care what you look like, I don't care what your kitchen looks like, and I don't care where in the world you're cooking. If you incorporate my 2 main ingredients, passion and love, in any dish that you make, it will not fail. I repeat, it will not fail. And as I always say, and don't forget the merch, guys, visit us at www.stovetopyumyum.com. Don't forget to use promo code STOVETOP, will save you 10% off your entire order. I have it here on the screen. And as I always say, you guys, au revoir, I love you, los quiero, and until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.